Hello, I've got an Aftermarket Pioneer radio system, and today I'm going to show you how you change the language interface between 5 language options here. So first, make sure your vehicle's powered on, which this currently is. And then from your menu here, we'll go to Settings, and then System Settings, and then choose Language here. Obviously I'm in English right now, but you can choose between these other 5. Let's say we want Spanish. Once you select that, it automatically changes it. So there's nothing else you have to do at this point. So that's it. And I'll go ahead and show you from the main screen how to adjust this again. So from here, settings, this Sistema. I'm obviously going to change it to English because that's what I speak. So this Idioma, and then back to English. And that's it. I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.